everyone, welcome back to my channel FairyBeautyCorner. Today we're gonna be doing an Amazon haul. This is gonna be like home essentials, home decor sort of a haul. So yeah. Also I'd like to apologize कि मैंने consistent uploads नहीं रखे for the past 9 months क्योंकि मेरी mom was pregnant और उनका इस चैनल में बहुत बड़ा हाथ है. उनके बिना मैं ज़्यादा वीडियोस नहीं बनाती हूँ because वो हमेशा कमेंट्स को रिस्पॉन्ड करना और ये सब उनका ही काम रहता है एंड मैं वो नहीं कर पाएंगी बिकॉज शी वॉज प्रेगनेंट एंड शी शुड नॉट यूज़ टू मच फोन because she was pregnant. So I like to apologize for not being able to post regularly. I will be trying to get back on track. She gave birth on February 10th and it was a boy. It was healthy. If you like any of the products in this video, then you can check the description box below because it has all the links to the products there. So if you want to buy anything, you can just straight away go there. Why waste time? And if you also have remembered that आपको कुछ और खरीदना है, then you can also just click the link down below and search in the search bar whatever you want to buy and just buy it. So yeah, now let's just get back to the video and let's start with the first product. हमारा पहला product है ये bathrobes. So basically it's like grey in color and it's really warm. Actually I personally क्योंकि हमारा school it's like really early in the morning, तो whenever I मतलब नहाती हूँ तो I guess I feel really cold and this really helps keep me warm और मुझे सच्ची में मन भी नहीं करता to get changed because it's really warm. Easy to like dry myself off with this because it's like really good quality. Actually unfortunately अभी is unavailable लेकिन हमने 10th नवंबर को ख़रीदा था तो उसका ऑर्डर का जो प्राइस था that was 1359 rupees और इसमें एक्चुअली काफ़ी कलर ऑप्शंस हैं. तो बेसिकली यू हैव कलर ऑप्शंस मतलब लाइक आपको जो उनसे कलर ऑप्शंस चाहिए हो, जैसे सपोज मैंने जो ख़रीदा है वो है ऐश ग्रे और उसके बाद फिर भी है ब्लश पिंक, ब्रिक रेड, ब्रिलियंट वाइट एंड टर्किश ब्लू. तो जो मेरा प्रोडक्ट है ऐश ग्रे और ब्लश पिंक ये दोनों आउट ऑफ करंटली अनअवेलेबल हैं और ब्रिक रेड विच वो 11th में को आ जाएगा. ब्रिलियंट वाइट इज़ अगेन करंटली अनअवेलेबल लेकिन टर्किश ब्लू के पास अभी भी यू हैव सम बाइंग ऑप्शंस. उसके बाद इसके पास साइज भी है जैसे मीडियम एंड लार्ज और इट इज़ यूनिसेक्स. इट कैन बी फॉर मेल, इट कैन बी फॉर अ फीमेल एंड इट इज़ of cotton or full length denim. Basically it's like pretty long. मेरे लिए it comes till my calf like 3/4 and it is comfortable and I think it does every single thing I need a bathrobe to do for me और ये totally recommended है because ये काफ़ी comfortable है, आपको जल्दी सुखा देता है and it also keeps you warm in the winters or if you're waking up super early. So this is like a perfect win-win sort of a situation. Even though it is a little pricey, I totally think that this is gonna last long and it is totally worth the price because it is top-notch quality. So guys, our next product is this beautiful Ikea lamp which I have fallen in focus please. Yeah, I've fallen in love with this product. It is one of the most elegant lamps I've ever seen. I really like it क्योंकि it like suppose it I can also use it as a night light. काफ़ी ज़्यादा elegant है. I really like the design. It is perfectly minimal. उसके साथ एक क्यूट सा स्विच आता है जिसको हम ऑन एंड ऑफ करने के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं और साथ साथ वो मैं प्लग कर रही हूँ अपने पोर्ट में. नीचे आई हैव अ पोर्ट तो मैं उसमें प्लग करके यूज़ करती हूँ. I really like the product. The price was 540 rupees और ये काफ़ी and I got it through Amazon and I actually really like it. I just can't the only downside to this was the fact that इसमें हमें LED का बल्ब नहीं मिला था और ये थोड़ा सा actually काफ़ी fragile है. तो इसलिए अगर आप उसके लैम्प के अंदर देखोगे so I have done a little hack of my own. मैंने टेप से उसका अच्छे से सिक्योर किया because whenever the house helper dusting कर रही होती है तो वो हमेशा it always disassembles so मैं टेप करके रखती हूँ. तो it is a little fragile. जब आया था थोड़ा सा indent था because it is plastic. But I guess it's worth it. It's not that bad. Honestly, it would be a little above average. I won't say it's the best. It is fulfilling its purpose, but then quality is not that good. I won't say it's amazing, but then I do like its visuals and it has a pretty good light. आपको LED खुद से खरीदनी पड़ती है. LED आपको अभी से खुद से खरीदनी पड़ेगी, आपको नहीं मिलता है. तो या और हमें बल्ब सेपरेटली सोल्ड होता है 9 वॉट का बल्ब तक इसमें हम लगा सकते हैं. I have a 7 watt one, but I guess it's totally enough. My dad was planning to actually get one which was way brighter, but I guess this works really well. It's just that आपको notice मतलब ये keep in mind करना कि screw अच्छे से fit आ रहा है and it's 9 watt. Next product है ये rug. मैंने originally इसे खरीदा था as a seating space rug, basically for a seating space in my room. लेकिन my bed already came with a seating space, so I didn't need this anymore. And लेकिन I still use it as a rug if I want to sit on the floor, if I want to get cozy and maybe have a Netflix marathon on the floor, or if असील की मसाज करनी पड़ती है कभी कभार, and if my mom wants to be with me. तो हाँ, I actually really like the rug. Honestly, the quality is good. It's pretty durable till now. Because we have a Roomba, I have to fold it and keep it on the side when it's cleaning the Roomba and the Brava. So इसलिए and I fold it in like a way in which I guess most rugs would have toned down, but then this is still perfectly in the same shape. I purchased this on 2nd December, so it hasn't been that long, but then it's still like in one piece and it is as good as new. Even with me folding it that way, so the quality is amazing. Packaging also, it came pretty fine. My size is 3 feet round and the price was 699 rupees. I wanted something a little big, so that's why I got a 3 feet one. Before I was planning for 6 feet one, but then thank God I didn't get that. So yeah, there are plenty of options. You can change the shape, you can change the color, and it's totally up to you. You do get a lot of customization options, and I guess, and it's also like braided, so basically if you do it like, you know, if you want a little bit of nostalgic feel to your home, and if you want a little natural touch, like if you're going for a bohemian or a aesthetic minimalistic look in your home or in your space, wherever you're designing it, then I think this is like a perfect fit because it like meets all the criteria which you would need. It gives off that natural nostalgic vibe of just, you know, your mom just braiding and making a jute rug, because that's the vibe which my mom gets whenever she sees this. Guys, my next product है ये beautiful curtains. So basically what I did is I got both of them and I sort of put them together and I tied them with a rubber band and hang them with a hook, so it gives us a really good look. Why I didn't go for like a normal canopy was that I didn't find any which were of white color and which was actually like what the picture was. There was a lot of clickbait, so I was like, no, you know, I can just DIY it myself. This was also purchased on 2nd December. Even though it seems like really fragile, it has worked pretty well with my bed. I really like the elegant look it gives. I also added these lights so it looks really beautiful at night, and I always just sleep with the lights on and it is the most perfect vibe ever. So I do really like these curtains. The price was 595 rupees and originally it was like 1,299, but then there's a sale, so we have saved 704 rupees, so it's 595 now. And I think I really like the curtains. The dimensions, of course, the size is 7 feet, so I took them like instead of lengthwise, I took them like, you know, widthwise, and then I did it because it was getting way too long. I originally intended to put this with the jute rug and have a seating space, but then my bed already had one, so I just put it with my bed. I think I like this better because it is really comfy and cozy, and this is exactly what 10-year-old me or 8-year-old me would love to have. And if you don't want to use it as a canopy, you can also use it as a curtain itself or as a divider because of its elegant look. It is really light, and if you are a nature lover, if you like sunlight, it lets the perfect amount through. So I think this is like a really good choice again for a minimalistic aesthetic room or space or a modern space. Is this cupboard liner. The reason why I only have one is because we had 3 and we used both of them up. They are no longer with us because we used them all, and that one was left because it was too pretty to use, and I like these so much that I actually use them on my study desk. I use this one on my study desk because it gives the perfect cottage core and natural vibe which I truly need after staying at home for over a year now. And another thing is that I also used it in my bookshelf area right there because I guess this looks really good and I wanted to use it. The price was 450 and it has a bunch of patterns, so there's no select 3 patterns. There's no guarantee you will get the patterns which I get, and they're like totally at random, and I think all of them are pretty cute, so if you get any, you're going to like it anyways. They're pretty cute, and this is basically like a wardrobe liner, but you can honestly use it any place you want to line, or if you even, because the patterns are so good, you can even use it as like decor just on your table like that as a table liner. So yeah, these are actually really beautiful, and they're like 30 by 300 centimeter the size. And yeah, our next product is this Amazon basic tripod which I'm filming with right now. And I'd like to say, just like a disclaimer sort of thing, I actually forgot and I accidentally ordered the one for a camera instead for the one with the mobile. So it doesn't come with the mobile holder which your mobile tripod would, but luckily I have 2 tripods on hand already. Like not two, like one is a tripod and one is a selfie stick. I'm using the selfie stick stand right now because it fits my phone perfectly, and this one is too small. That's the reason why I wanted to get a new tripod. Another reason was that it is like a 50-inch long tripod, so it is kind of like extendable. So if I want to even vlog while holding it, it can be used as a selfie stick if you want. It can be used as like a camera to film videos like I am. And honestly, मुझे बहुत पसंद आया. I like its, you know, customizability. I guess that's it is height adjustments hai, and also the fact that it has a leveler, because I am really bad at keeping the camera straight, so I guess this also helps. Another thing is that अगर आपके पास कोई मदद के लिए नहीं है for shooting or for, let's say, recipe videos or anything. In my vlogs I do include shots of recipes or other slow living sort of shots these days, and they're like really hard to shoot with a small tripod, so this type of tripod really helps me. And another thing is that now my birthday is coming up. I really wanted to do a photo shoot, and my mom is obviously busy with the sale, but I can now use this and have my own photo shoot. And if you are like an Instagram person, Instagram model, and if you want to sort of, you know, be independent maybe, and if you don't have anyone to help you with your pictures, then I guess this is perfect for you. Another thing is that this also includes a bag to keep the tripod, so like if you're traveling, you can easily carry it anywhere you want. I like the fact that it has like they're actually endless. It's up to you how you want to use it, honestly speaking. And it also has a camera, you know, you can like move the camera slowly, like you can pan it slowly, and it will just be really, really smooth. I'm not so good with the technical terms, so please don't mind me. So the price was $6.99. I got a pack of one style name and 50 inches. So yeah, so if you don't have like a selfie stick or anything like that, and if you don't know how to unscrew the mobile holder's head, then I would not recommend this tripod because it does not have a mobile head. I do have another tripod which could be easily, you know, with it. So I would link both for this one and the one which has like a mobile head and works the same. So yeah, I guess this is all the information you need. And if you are an aspiring vlogger, YouTuber, then I totally recommend you buying it because it is really, really helpful. And it can help you just get the perfect video you want because of all the height adjustments, so you can get the perfect angle for everything. So guys, I think this is the most cutest product in this whole video. So these are these three really adorable pillows which I use as decor. I really like them, especially the cloud one. It is my bias. So these three, they have a lot of color options. Like there are a bunch of color options. You know, you can get them in pink, in totally white, in gold, like literally whatever you want. And it's like really, really customizable as well because you have so many options. So the one which I got was the Moonstar, like combo of 3, and basically blue, yellow, one. It cost me 5.99 rupees, and I think it's worth it because they look really cute. And I also sometimes use them as like a back pillow for me because I don't have the best posture in the world. So it's like, for me, I got like a combo piece of 3. I purchased this around December as well because that's when I was going through that phase of room makeover. So yeah, these cost me like 5.99 rupees, and I really, really like the fact that, I don't know, I just like them. They're really cute. Even my friends love them. So yeah, there are like different designs in which maybe the moon has a crown and all that. They are not easy to find. Like you'll just randomly get recommended, but I do recommend checking their shop if you want to see more intricate. So I'll just put the link of the shop, you know, in the description box with the other videos with the other products as well. Last product on this entire list is this Amazon Basics Fabric 5-drawer storage organizer unit for closet, black. We ordered the black version. It has a bronze and a white color as well. So first I didn't like the story of ordering this. We wanted to order it since October, but then we were able to order it only in January because of its long periods of being unavailable. So as soon as it's available, grab a chance, buy it. It has different sizes. This is a 5-drawer one. It has a 3-drawer one. And it also, I guess, has a 6-drawer one. Like it has several sizes to it, so you can honestly choose whatever size you like. This can be used as literally anything you wish to use it for. You can keep it in your closet. You can use it as a dresser because of, I think it's elegant, especially if you get the white one. It is really, really elegant. The reason why we got it is because we use it as a dresser to organize all my brother's essentials, all his diapers, clothes, skincare products, because he's got more than mine. So all the products which he has, we are able to systematically organize it. Why we didn't go for a, you know, a industrial size, like literally a proper diaper changing station, is because of the fact that the room doesn't have that much of space, and it would have been really, really, I think, full, and it wouldn't just happen because we wouldn't have been able to fit it in that room. That's the reason why we opted for this. Also, that was also pretty over expensive. I think that I shouldn't cross this, but yeah. We got this one for only 3,799 rupees. There are 3 options, but then we got the black one because that was like the only one available at the time we ordered it. But I guess it's really, really good. The quality is amazing. It helps us organize it really, really well. And it's not really overall, it's an amazing organizer. You can use it for literally anything you wish to use it for. You can put it under your desk as a stationery organizer, as a I guess you can also use it as a cover or like a dresser for small kids, which that's what we are doing. So yeah, it will fulfill any of your organizational needs. The assembly was also pretty easy, and the fact that it's really, really lightweight and compact, so you can place it in almost any space you wish. Because it is really small, compact and modern looking, so it won't look out of place either. So thank you so much for watching till this point in the video. और अगर आपको ये video बहुत पसंद आया, so please like, subscribe and share, show me some love, and just go check out my channel. There are a bunch of other reviews I also did, so I'm going to be putting the playlist as soon as this outro is done, and I think you'll also like them because those products are also kind of similar to these products which I just showed. So I think you're gonna like that. So don't forget to check that list out if you like any of these products. Then please don't forget to check the description box below if you want to see anything else from me. Like, I have a baby brother, so I do have a lot of baby stuff. So if you want to see an Amazon first cry haul, if you want to see a nursery tour, nursery organization, anything you literally want, comment down below. I will be more than happy to make it for you guys. So thank you so much for watching and stay safe. Thank you.